In this video I'm going to show you how to import or open Photoshop files in Canva. So what we need to do is open our Canva, and after that make sure you are logged in into your account. Now the next step will be go to projects. If you go to projects, then we can add a new project. Now click on that, click on add new, and then click on upload files. Once you have selected that, then we can select the PSD file, and what you need to do to make sure you can open or import a Photoshop file is go to custom files on this right side and then select all files. Now the PSD file will be visible in this list. Select the PSD file, then open it, and after that the PSD file will be uploaded into our Canva. It will take a while, and after it is uploaded you can easily open it. Now if you scroll down, then you will see that this PSD file is currently uploading into our Canva. Once the PSD file is uploaded into our Canva, then we can click on it. And as you can see, we have the design over here. Now if you would like to use this design, then you can simply click on the design and change everything you want. Once you are done with editing, then you can simply share it with downloading options or a public view link. And this is how you import or open a Photoshop file in Canva. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye.